Welcome to 74 Oak Ridge Terrace in Lynnfield. This move-in ready home has beautiful views of Pillings Pond and is right down the street from schools, parks, and a couple miles from Market Street. Take a look inside and enjoy the tour. My name is Alana from the Ternullo Real Estate team at RE/MAX Leading Edge. To learn more about this home, to schedule a private showing, or if you're considering a move north of Boston, give us a call at 781-517-4224. Be sure to like our Facebook page to learn of other properties coming soon, and check out our website at ternullorealestate.com.